Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we are going to make some Nutella donuts, and for that we need sugar, flour, 2 eggs, a little bit of milk and cacao and peanut butter. For the beginning we need to have those 2 eggs broke and adding to it 2 cups of sugar. And let's go on and mix these two ingredients together. Whenever this is mixed properly, let's add some flour and the cacao, which is 2 tablespoons here. Let's add it as well and continue with the mixing process. Of course, it's always easier to buy also the Nutella, but why to buy if you can make it yourself, right? And it's going to be absolutely very delicious and tasty, so go on and try it. Let's add a little bit of peanut butter to this. Depending on how much you like or dislike it, you can either use 1 tablespoon or a little bit more than 1. Let's add some milk, 1 cup of milk to this, and continually mix all of this together again. And whenever done, we'll be passing to the next steps, which is adding a little bit of butter, some vanilla extract or vanilla itself if you have a ton. And let's turn on the gas and put it into that, and constantly let's mix all of those ingredients. You don't have to stop there. Mix again and again and again until you get a mixture like this. And whenever done, let's put it into the middle of the dough that you have, close it and put it to be cooked for several minutes. Put it to be cooked there. And whenever there, add a little bit of cinnamon and sugar at the top of these donuts. This is ready. We hope you will like it and you will share this recipe with your friends. Good appetite!